What is going on, guys? It's your boy Darius back at it again with another video. Subscribe if you're not already. Make sure to hit the like button on this video. Make sure to hit the little bell button so you know when I post videos. So today is one of those sad topics. Give me a second. Let me get the camera situated and we'll talk about it. So we're back. Alright. I've told a few people about this. And I know I told Dustin and I told Jeremy and a few other people. But I guess it's time to tell y'all. Before anybody says anything, no, this is not clickbait. I am not pulling nobody's strings. It's about Knightryder, aka my 2013 Mustang GT. So in a couple videos ago, I think I made a video about it. I'm not 100% sure, but I made a video saying my car was making this weird noise when it started up, and it was sounding like a whining sound at first thing in the morning when it cranked up, and then it progressively got worse to sounding like a squeal going down the road. So naturally I'm going, okay, pulley's going out or the belt or something's going out. One second, I'm trying to make sure that everybody can see pretty good. So I was like, alright, either pulley's going out, the belt's about to be fucked, or either idler pulley's going out or I got a tensioner going out. Those are the first few things me and my daddy talked about, and me and my buddy Austin and a couple other people were like, okay, well, pretty sure belt's going out. I'm like, okay, well, that's fine. Went, priced some belts, well, priced some a tensioner and a pulley, and I was like, okay, well, they're not that expensive. I'll get it fixed. You know, I'm just waiting for my money to get right, which shouldn't take. Well, actually, I was waiting to get paid, so I was like, okay, well, I can manage till I get paid. I mean, the sound's not that bad, you know. So I was going down to Eden the other day because I had to run an errand, and I was sitting at the stoplight, and my fan kicked on. And when my fans kick on, it's normally not noticeable. I mean, you can hear them. But I was sitting at the stoplight, and they kicked on very, very hard. Like, my RPMs dropped drastically. So, actually, no, that was another night. So, at that point, I'm like, okay, well, I know my idler pulley's going out. Because I was sitting there idling. I was like, my idler pulley's going out, you know. Well, then, about a couple weeks went by. This was actually this past, like, Wednesday or Thursday. Can't exactly remember. The one where I noticed my fan was kicking on really high was like 2 weeks before this past Wednesday or Thursday. Now I'm kind of confused now. Alright, so Wednesday and Thursday, I was going down to Eden and running an errand, sitting at a stoplight. It was like 65, 70 degrees, so it was a pretty warm day. Sitting there, I'm jamming out, you know, just being me, going down the road, running an errand, and my car does it again. The fan kicks on very, very hard. My car almost, literally, it kicked on so hard, my car almost cut off, sitting at the stoplight. So I'm like, okay, that's not right. Like, so in the premiums and above for the 2013s, S197, 2011 up, I think. If you get the premium, if you get GT Premium, you have the digital gauge, GT Premium and Performance Pack, you have digital gauges and all of that. You got digital gauges, track apps, you know, you have the whole 9 yards. Y'all have seen it on my videos when I did the head mount. So I clicked over to one of them. I clicked over to my gauges. Gauges read air fuel, oil temp, cylinder head temperature, oil pressure, inlet air temperature. That's the key, the inlet air temperature. And I'm sitting there and I got a cold air intake on my car. Everybody knows I got a cold air intake. I don't hide what's done to my car. So I'm sitting there and I'm looking, and I'm looking at the inlet air temperature, and it's slowly creeping up from like I said, it was like 65, 70 degrees. So it was like it's high 60s, and it just slowly kept creeping up and up and up and up. By the time I took off, I was at like 80 degrees inlet air temperature, which is not good. And I'm like, okay, well, I'm pretty sure something's wrong with my radiator. So as I'm pulling off from stoplight, I look back. There's not a puddle. I'm like, okay, well, that's odd. So I get to where I was going. I pop the hood. Yes, it's Miller time. Pop the hood. I see no leaks. The antifreeze level's normal. I'm like, okay, that's fine. So I go run my errand. I'm driving back. So I get back, and it does it again. My inlet air temperature is just steady going up. Like every time I'm stopping, and I'm waiting, and my temperature is steady rising. So I get back, and I stop. I pop the hood. I don't see nothing. And I'm like, okay, well, let me look under the car. Looking under the car, I got a drip. And it's a steady drip. So I'm like, oh shit. First looked like oil, so I'm like, fuck, my car leaking oil. I don't know why. Blah, blah, blah. I'm like, okay. So I checked the oil gauge. I checked the oil dipstick. That looks fine. So I'm like, okay. I get back down under the car. I look. So it's dripping onto pavement, so you can't really tell what it is. So I get a paper towel, I look, and I put it under there, and it's orange, and I'm going, that's antifreeze. So I pop the hood again, and I'm looking, and I can't see where it's leaking from. Like, it's too far back to be the radiator or any of the hoses. So I'm like, okay, what is it? Excuse me. So I go in and talk to my daddy. My daddy goes, I'm pretty sure it's your water pump. So we walk outside, we look at it, and he sees it's dripping antifreeze, and we're sitting there and we're looking. I'm telling him what it's doing. He goes, I'm pretty sure it's your water pump going bad. So we look, and we're looking under the belts, and you can see where the water pump is, and it's wet. It's thrown all over the front of my motor. So pretty much my water pump's going out in my car. So there will be no more track days until I get that fixed. And which sucks. So now every time I drive my car, yes, I'm still driving my car, I just make sure it does not overheat, it doesn't get too hot, and I keep an eye on the inlet air temperature. Because that's the main problem. Like, the inlet air temperature will get, driving it today on Sunday, it literally got up to 100 degrees. And in order for it to cool down, I have to drive it to get cool air into the motor. So my water pump's going bad. Might clean my air filter too. I don't know. But that's the terrible news. Knightryder's messed up, which sucks. So I'm gonna get that fixed here pretty soon. Hopefully this week. Hopefully I get my main goal is try to get something else to drive here pretty soon, so I can quit putting miles and stuff on the car. So I'm gonna get everything. I'm gonna get all that fixed. I'm gonna get the other vehicle on the road, which I'll do a reveal video on that when I get it on the road. I will do that. But the main problem is my car is leaking antifreeze, and pretty sure it's a water pump. So that sucks. But like I said, I'm gonna get that fixed hopefully this week, or at least get it looked at. I want to get it looked at before I go get it fixed. I know that's weird. You should already know what's wrong with your car. Sometimes you know. You still go get it fixed before, you go dropping money for parts, and it's not what you think it is. But that's it for today. Just a short little video giving y'all the problems with Knightryder again. But I'm out. Peace.